line-based modeling. Okay, I mean using the lines, how can you model? We did some already, but few more examples. And I'm gonna show you one modifier is called FFD modifier. FFD modifier. I'll introduce this one also today. You know what is modifies? Whatever you click on this modify, then if you click on this arrow, what are the things that take you from here? These all are called modifiers. Okay, this is one of the modifier which I type, which is called FFD modifier. Right. So I want to make a simple chair, okay, with some detail. Using line-based modeling, go to line, left or right, go to left view, right view, except don't go for top or bottom, except left or right you can go. You can say side view, okay? So I want to make a line like this. Okay, then go to vertex point. Manually, you can control how you want. Select this portion and do fillet. Fillet. Manually, I want to adjust here like this way. Easy. If any changes, like if you see the back side, I feel like it's too much here. So I'm going to delete that portion. If you want to move it a little bit, I can move. Fine. This one to convert to 3D, you can just go to modify. And here you can see we used this one last session in rendering, enabled in render, enabled in viewport. It is a radial now. Radial means it's a circle, right? It's like a cylinder. Go to rectangle shape. Increase the length. Increase the length. Okay. Width, you can adjust it. Now, if I do convert editable poly, now it's no more line. This is an object. This is a polygon shape now. No more line. If you press F3, you can see there is no division this way. Vertical divisions are not there. I need that for some purpose. I want to do more customization. So I'm teaching you one option. See, I'm teaching you most of the option based on example. Okay. If I have a box here, you know how I can get divisions from here. If I convert this one to editable poly, editable poly, I cannot get the divisions again. But if you want to get divisions, you have to select this edge, select this old edge like this. Then there is an option called connect, CONNECT, connect option. Okay, so this is under edge. So you need to select this edge like this. Then if you come to connect, you click on this settings over here. Then you can add how many divisions if you want. If you selected this all vertically, horizontally will be adding. If you selected horizontally, vertically, this will be adding. So how many divisions? You can press F3. See, do you want to see the distance between? Or do you want to move to one side or other side? So this is called connect option. You press OK. I get divisions like this. So this is the way I can create divisions. For example, if I use edges over here, this is all I selected. Then I click on connect option. You see how many numbers I need. Then press OK. So I got divisions like this. Why I do divisions? Because if I want to do any control, I want to make an arc like this here. How can I do it? I cannot do it without any division. So here also I'm going to try that. I already converted to editable poly. Select this all option. Then I'm going to click on connect option below, connect. I do more divisions because I need more detail on it. So I teach you one option over here, connect. Okay. to add division. Okay. Now I want to get legs over here. So using again line, go to left view. To here. Right click. Of course, it's going to come like this. We don't need, so we keep to radial. Okay, and go to left view. You can move this one to a grid. So at least this, you can fix it proper. Length. Okay, in a left view, I created this. Then after, if you go to modify this, you can increase and decrease it. Keep to one side. Now to get here proper, you can go to this corner, select like this. Even if you switch on this one also, you can work your fillet. You can click on fillet, click here. And center. Done. Now shift and take a copy here. I selected the chair. Convert to editable poly. Already done, right? Sorry, no need to do again, but I have done it again, no issue. Then I'm using a modifier called FFD Modifier. FFD 2, 3, 4. It depends on how many divisions you want. Why we are using FFD? Without controlling individually. If I want to get an arc shapes over here, one by one vertex, I need to move it like this. One by one vertex, I need to move this way, I need to do. It is very difficult. Instead of this, a set of an objects or a complicated shape, if you want to control overall together, you can use FFD modifier. I want more controller, that's why I use 444. I have 4 divisions will come, 4 segment here, 4 segment here. If I do 2, we'll have 2 segment only. But if you have this, if you go inside this one, control points means you can control it. Can you see? You can control it. But center, I can do nothing because I have 2 only. So let me delete that modifier. Delete it. Let me take FFD modifier 444. Then if I choose this control point, see from the top view, I select like this only on this here, or sorry, till here, center, till here, this much, okay? Then I'm moving this one to back. Nice. Then I selected this down area here. Scale tool, R is the scale tool, then inside a little bit. Selected here, scale tool, little outside. These points, little bit down. And while where we sit, this area I have selected down. So we got a custom shape chair now. A custom shape chair. Otherwise, it's very difficult to create this way arcs and all. But if you have a FFD modifier, easy to customize it. So just I'm going to tell you one example for FFD again. And one before that, if this edges is very sharp, yeah, that I'll tell you in the next session. Usually for the chair, you can see sometimes here there is a hole. If you want to get like that, cylinder. Just to hold it, okay. Select this one, compound object, throw boolean, start picking, pick this one. Okay, so let me give different colors on it. Cool. Now, one more time, FFD modifier, I'm telling you some exercise. Example, if any objects you created, maybe for example, using a sphere, I have created something. I have another sphere here, another sphere here. This is a complicated object. So if I select all, if I do FFD modifier, I will be able to control this all together. So I can select all the control points. I want to scale it. Click outside. See, custom shapes I get easy to create it using FFD modifier.